Hello and welcome to Clipping In. It's Sunday the forgotten my sunscreen on a day like this. I'll have to go back. Welcome to Clipping In. Sunday, the 1st of October. Ooh, it's going to be necessarily a short ride today. Got a heap of things to get out of the way. So I'm doing a tried and tested circuit. I can tell you exactly it's 39.8 miles. There are grooves in the tarmac. When I've ridden this one before, the bike knows its way. And the good thing, some tremendously heavy overnight rain lasted 6 hours or more, stopped at about 7 AM, and I was able to change my clothing plans, ditch the Gore-Tex shell jacket, put a lightweight shell in the seat pack, and I'm enjoying these balmy temperatures, 16-17 C at 8 AM. 14 miles ridden, just leaving Rushworth. Going to break out into open countryside. Rushworth School there on my right. Now that pub there, the Boothwood Inn, I think in the 90s, early 2000s, it had a different name, and I think it was called the Cunning Corner, probably because of the trickiness of going around it at speed on a descent. Anybody remember the Cunning Corner? Correct me if I'm wrong. Round we go. Should catch some headwind round this corner. Now, I'm going to put a photo up as an insert. I think that was taken March 1999 on this hill as part of the Halifax Imperial Wheelers Buckstones Hilly Town Trial. Haven't changed a bit, have I? M62 motorway. Highest point on the Pennine motorway, just ahead on the skyline. Boothwood Reservoir. Gaining height and climbing into the drizzle and mist. Windy Hill is somewhere up there. Good job my bike knows the way. Fairly persistent rain now. The stream at the road's edge is really flowing. I would imagine a couple of 100 metres and I'm crossing where the Pennine Way crosses, and that's almost the climbing done with for today, and I should be able to drop out of this weather without donning the dreaded shell. glasses ever so slightly steaming there on the left lens. I'm not surprised, it's quite warm, raining, misty, and that was a tailwind climb, so I can still see pretty well. Not a fail yet. I'll drop my peak down soon. And there, appearing out of the mist, those gritstone wonders, the Buckstones. Speed rocker guards are doing pretty well for the second proper outing. I might fit a flat to the front one, seeing on how much. I'll see what kind of toe clearance I've got between my size 47s and the front guard, and if I think I can do it, I'll either cut up an old milk carton or an old cycling bottle, put some Scotch Light on there, and I've got a little mudguard extender for the front. Might just keep my feet dry. "29 miles ridden and I've dropped out of the mist. The rain's easing and I'm not far from Barkey's Land. You can see where I've come from on the moors there. One of the drawbacks of using this gravel bike as a winter bike, with it being a single chainring, I've got a 40 at the front, and I think this cassette is 1132. I put a new transmission on during the summer. So yeah, technically you could get on 4011, but I've got so used over the last 7 months, say, to riding proper road bikes with double chain rings, I almost forget to go to that end of the cassette. Well, that's an autopilot ride in the bag. Rides when maybe the weather's bad, or I'm feeling tired, or you just got a lot on your plate. It's a known quantity, and yet it takes you out of the ordinary into a magical place, out onto the moors, over the Buckstones. It's another world, and all that in the space of 39.8 miles. Invaluable. So for this ride I'm going to say goodbye, and hopefully when I've got more time and the weather's a little better, I'll see you again back out on the Yorkshire roads. Bye bye.